So I'd just like to talk a little bit about posture. We can start with our feet hip width apart. Relax the body, relax the torso, relax the head. Everything should be stacked on top of each other. So a few things you don't want to be doing. You don't want to be leaning back, where you feel your stomach muscles engage. You don't want to be leaning too far forward where you feel your toes gripping into the floor. You also don't want to be tilting your pelvis. It's easier to see from the side. You don't want to be tilting your pelvis forward so that your back is contracted. And you also don't want to be tucked. And I'm doing this to the extreme. Most people, when they do this with their posture, they have a little bit of slight tucking or a little bit of contraction here in their back. I think it's best if you can stay in a neutral position, a position that feels good when you move. A good way to find that is to start to collapse the shoulders round the back. And now we'll take it up. And we're going to be pulled up on the toes as if someone has a string through your head and they're pulling you up. Now you're going to set yourself back down, release everything. And this is a very stable, nice posture to work from. I'll do it from the side. Collapse. Take it up. I'm being pulled up to the middle of my head from a string. And I'm setting down. Notice how I'm very slightly forward. I'm not actually straight up and down. I'm slightly forward. And you should feel everything release in the front of your body. You shouldn't feel any tension in the back of your body. It's a very stable starting point. Most Egyptian style dance is done with a straight leg. There are some times when we have a slight bend in our knee. Just a little bit of flexibility. And always keep your knees soft. Never push back. Never push back with your knees to as far as they can go. You always need a little softness in your knees. Yeah? Nice arm position. Breathing, relaxing through here. No holding. Breath coming through here. Your breath should be moving through the entire torso. And the arms up. It's a nice position to start with. Let's take a big breath. And release.